Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at Uno Super Mario card game. Aimed at ages 7 and up, 2 to 10 players. This was produced by Mattel around 2016. Still available in a lot of stores as of this recording in 2021. So let's take a look. There is a special Mario rule like a lot of these theme decks. So we'll see what we have inside. And it's got 112 cards with your instructions. So let's open it up and see what we can find. Alright, the box is kind of cheaply made and it's just glued shut, so it's going to be real easy to break or damage the lid of the box if you're planning on keeping it. So first we'll look at the rules, which are these lazy foldouts on cheap paper. And it's in 2 languages. Looks like French, maybe? Spanish, I don't know. One of the Romance languages, and English. So it tells you we've got 112 cards, 19 blue cards 0 to 9, 19 green cards 0 to 9, 19 red cards 0 to 9, 19 yellow cards 0 to 9, 8 draw 2s, 2 of each in blue, green, red, and yellow, 8 reverse cards, same set, 8 skip cards, same set, 4 wild cards, 4 wild draw 4 cards, 2 Mario Superstar cards, and 2 Mario customizable cards. So we've got different images for different actions, like the draw 2 has a distinct look, same with the reverse, skip card, wild draw 4, and then the customizable card and the superstar card. Then you've got your scoring, the usual sort of things. So yeah, these 2 cards, the Superstar card and the Wild Customizable, seem fairly unique to this set. And then we've got this in another language. Yay, I don't care. I don't speak it, so not very useful to me right now. So let's get that out of the way and take a look at our cards. Alright, we'll start with this deck because, I don't know, just because. Alright, there's a +4. There we got a red Yoshi. That's a skip. Another skip. +2. Red. Reverse red. Another reverse red. There's the 9. So it looks like we've hit the vein of reds. 2 9s. 2 8s. 2 7s. 6. 2 of those. 4. 3, 2, 1. Next up we have yellow. So 1, 0. Skip, skip. +2. +2. Reverse. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, 2, and the other one. Alright, that's the first deck. Let's take a look at our other deck. Some wilds, draw 4. There's Yoshi again. We're into blue, so skip, skip. +2, +2. Reverse. 9, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, then we're into green. There's a green 1. Then there's our Yoshi. Skips. +2. Reverse. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and our other one. Alright. Card quality is pretty decent. I think they'll hold up okay with general use. If you're a little rough with them, they will kind of tear up and nick. I'd be a little worried about that. But beyond that, the box is kind of trash. The instructions are on trash paper. That is low-end garbage paper. So if you're a collector, you want to really pay attention to the quality of the paper on the instructions, because that is probably going to be banged up. This box is just glued together, unlike most of these boxes, so that's a little disappointing. Overall, though, if you're a big Mario fan, you'll definitely want to add this to your collection. It's got a special rule for Mario, and the images are pretty cool. It'd be nice if there was a little more variation, but you know, you're not always going to get a lot of the things you want, I guess. But for what the price of these usually is about $5, I'd say it's not bad. It's probably worth it, especially if you're a Mario fan or you know someone that is. Definitely worth picking up. And Uno is always a fun game. Well, we've seen what's in the box. You've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links to my Patreon, Streamlabs, and Teespring store are all in the description. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.